Well, a federal judge is ordering new trials for 3 former Memphis police officers who were convicted in the beating death of Tyree Nichols. Nichols was stopped by police in 2023 and tried running away. Officers caught him, and video here shows them punching, kicking, and hitting him with a baton. Here's why the judge says new trials are warranted. After the officers were convicted, the judge presiding over the case recused himself before sentencing when his law clerk was shot in the chest during a carjacking. Now, an assistant U.S. attorney says the judge expressed that he could not meet with any member of the police department to give a statement complaining that the Memphis police are, quote, infiltrated to the top with gang members. Legal analyst Misty Maris joins me now. So, Misty, a little confusing here. So the new federal judge who took over the case did not find any bias in the decisions by the last judge. So why are these officers now getting new trials?
So the standard in federal court isn't just that bias was actually found. It's the appearance of judicial bias. And the judge who overturned the verdict and ordered the new trials focused on that statement that the Memphis PD was infiltrated with gang members. Remember, the trial did not include anything about gang affiliations. So that statement was enough to say that it has this look of bias and there's a potential for due process rights to be violated, and therefore the defendants are entitled to a new trial. The defendants also argued that at least 2 times the judge who oversaw the case mentioned potential gang affiliations by one of those defendants. So that was enough to warrant new trials in this particular instance.
So, Misty, as it stands right now, those 3 officers, they have not been sentenced, even though they were convicted. So what happens next? Where does this case go from here?
Brand new trials for all 3. So Haley, he was convicted of the deprivation of civil rights charges. Those are the higher level charges. He will get a new trial. It will be from the beginning, new evidentiary decisions, new judge. The other 2, Bean and Smith, they were convicted on witness tampering charges, but acquitted on the higher level charges. Their trial will look much different because where there's an acquittal, they cannot face those same charges again. So they will just be facing those witness tampering charges. So we're going to see brand new trials in this case.
Wow, what a twist here. Misty Maris, we really appreciate your legal analysis. Thank you, Misty.